Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the radio on a F150. We're working on a 2001 Ford F150. Now to remove the radio, you're gonna need these tools right here. This one right here. I'm gonna put a link down below where you can buy it. So it's really easy to take off. First, you have to put these little things going like this. I'm gonna put it right here, and you're gonna put the other one there as well. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention, you gotta remove this part right here. You can use your nails, or maybe you can use a flathead screwdriver, and this part will come out. Just put it on the side. Now once you put this, you gotta make sure they go a little bit inside until you hear the click, and then you have to push on the outside. Like, you gotta push this one going that way, this one going that way, and just pull out. It's sometimes a little bit tricky, but there. So that's how you remove the radio. Let me show you how this works so you get a better understanding. You see, when you put it inside, you actually push those little things, and then when you pull to the side, it bends. So alright guys, this was just a quick video showing you how to remove the radio. From this point you can, unplug everything you need to do and install a new radio, or fix this one, or replace this one, or whatever. So alright, thanks for watching. Like I said before, I'm gonna put the link down below where you can buy the removal tools, and this will help you remove the radio on this kind of Ford trucks, and also on other cars as well. So alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, peace.